سيداتي وسادتي، أتحدث إليكم اليوم لأحمل إليكم قصة عائلتي في غزة.
Hello, my name is Amna Naji, and Amna means safe in Arabic. I'm a second daughter of 4 daughters and 1 son. Before the war, my life was warm, full of hobbies, and surrounded by close, loving family. But everything changed in Gaza.
Hi everyone, my name is Hazem Al-Malihi and I'm currently living a nightmare.
مرحبا، اسمي أنس شاهين وعمري 22 عام.
I come to you today as someone whose heart is heavy every single minute for almost 2 years because my family is still in Gaza.
Now I'm injured. I lost my left leg and a part of my foot on the right leg in the war. Now every step I take is a struggle. Even though I have humanitarian protection in Slovenia now, I don't feel safe.
Unfortunately, my family is still trapped in Gaza Strip, and every day I have fear for their lives. They are with no clean water to drink.
قبل عام و9 أشهر فقدت والدي برصاصة قناص إسرائيلي.
My family is trapped in Gaza and facing constant pumping, famine and fear. Every day I carry the pain of my injury, and every night I carry the fear of them.
أعيش هنا في غزة وسط الحرب أنا وعائلتي المكونة من أختين صغيرتين وأخ، وبعد جهود كبيرة جدا رغم القصف والجوع والنزوح حصلت على قبول جامعي في جامعة سلوفينيا، ومن المفترض أن يبدأ الفصل الدراسي هذا الخريف، لكنني عالق هنا في غزة. كل يوم أعيشه هنا في غزة هو محاولتي للبقاء على قيد الحياة. لقد فقدنا كل شيء وتركنا وحدنا بين صمت العالم، لكن لدي أمل بسيط في الخروج واستكمال دراستي في سلوفينيا.
What I wanted the most is to be reunited with my family so that I can feel safe again, to heal together and to rebuild our lives together again.
I want you to understand that this is not politics. It's a pure humanity. Evacuating families from Gaza is not a privilege. It's a matter of survival. It's the only option to let them live and survive. Because silence allows suffering, but solidarity and actions creates hope. My dream for almost 2 years now is to hug them once again and to know that they are safe here in Slovenia. And with your voices and actions, this can become real. Please sign the petition.